Alrighty, back here again with another video. Sorry, it's actually been a while. I've been busy and all of that stuff. You already know how that goes. Anyway, I feel as though that this video is best without the light. So I'm pretty sure you can still see everything. You can see the Encore up top, and you can see the JBL Partybox 300 on the right. Got my skull candy down there, but this video is not about the skull candy. I'll do that in another video. And this video is just pretty much going to be about the JBL Encore versus the Partybox 300 to the right there. Okay, as we already know, the JBL Partybox 300 is an old, version of it. The newest one is the 320. I'll get to that whenever I get that. But yeah, the JBL Partybox Encore is 100 watt, while the JBL Partybox 300 is a 240 watt speaker. Both of these going to be playing at 50% volume. They're both going to be unplugged, so they're not going to be plugged in, and they're going to be using the upper bass, bass boost level, not the deep bass. And okay. Without any further ado, let's just get it started, and here we go. And we're going to be starting with the, let me see real quick. Hold on. We're going to be starting with the JBL Partybox Encore at 50% volume. And the JBL Partybox 300 is going to be playing at 50% volume as well. So here we go.
Baby, we can make it. Pull me off the pavement. Bring me back to basics. Ever since I left you took a part of me, I can't replace it. I'm half of what I came with, carrying the same weight.
300.
To pick me up and make me right.
Oh, the bump is up a little bit.
Before I went away, tonight I need your help, remembering myself. Told me to embrace it, that everything is changing. Get up off the pavement. You used to be a dreamer, and now you ain't afraid to go and chase it. So all that's left to say is, alone you have to face it. I wanna feel you before we have to say goodbye. Tonight I
And yeah, that pretty much was it. Just a little short little video, just you know, do a little comparisons against the Encore and the 300, just so you can see the power difference. And I believe this was my mistake because I actually do have an EQ set on the JBL Partybox Encore. Hence the reason why the JBL Partybox 300 in bass boost, I think it's level 2 with the upper bass pretty much seems more punchy than the Partybox Encore itself. So I'm going to have to basically, you know, redo that and just do that in another video. But other than that, I hope this video was informative and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, please leave your comments down below and I'll get to those. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.